Hello everyone, welcome to Enkripsan, the tech tips and tutorial channel. In this video of Windows 11, we are going to learn the various methods of cleaning up the unnecessary storage utilization from our disk. As you might already know, the Windows 11 comes up with various features. Also, most recently downloaded files use cache memory for faster access. The recently opened pictures, videos, and program files are stored as temporary files in a temporary location, such as the temp folder or the temporary folder. Due to this, if you have a hard drive or an SSD of or lower capacity, there may be a storage issue. You may get storage full warning very soon. Also, the RAM and the cache memory may reach to the bottleneck, which may cause system lag or your computer may hang. So we need to clean up such temporary unused files and data regularly, which optimizes the performance of your PC or laptop. Therefore, today I have come up with some of the solutions to clean up the unnecessary storage of your PC. Let's say Windows 11. First of all, let's check the storage capacity and its utilization status in Windows 11. For this, click on the Start menu and type just the ST in the search bar. We can see the storage settings listed under the Best Match section. Click on it to open it. Here you can see how much storage is occupied by what components of the operating system. In my laptop, we can see that the temporary file is currently using 39.5 GB of the total storage. As we have discussed earlier, temporary files are not so important and we can clean up them after a certain period of time. It's not going to hamper your PC on any way. So it is better we clean up the temporary files. Click on the temporary files. Here you have options to check or uncheck different temporary data storage locations. Check all the unchecked ones if you want to clean up everything from the temporary files. Then click on the Remove Files button. We get a warning. This includes the Downloads folder. If you have any important stuff on the Downloads folder, move that to a different location such as D drive or any other drive and come back to here and continue. As you can see, unnecessary files are being removed. Now it's completed and we have gained about 39.5 GB of free storage on our system. Clicking on the cleanup recommendations here, we can see the downloads folder still occupies some amount of storage space. We can clean up that too. Now as we can see, the temporary files has no recommended files to clean. Also other sections has no recommended files to clean as well. Going back to the storage settings, here you can enable auto cleanup storage, which automatically frees up space, deletes temporary files and manages the locally available cloud content. Click anywhere on the storage sense. Turn the automatic user content cleanup to on. That's all you need to configure in the temporary files section. Now the next method of optimizing the disk space is disk cleanup. Type disk on the Start menu, search box and click on the disk cleanup. Here from the drop down box, choose which disk you want to clean up. I choose the C drive, the drive on which the operating system is installed. Then click on OK. Now check the unchecked boxes after reading the location name such as thumbnails, temporary files, recycle bin and so on, and click on the clean up system files. On the same way, clean up the unused and unnecessary files from the D drive and other drives as well. In this way, you can manually delete temporary files and clean up unnecessary disk utilization in Windows 11 or in Windows 10. Last but not the least, There is an automatic way of cleaning the disk of your PC or optimizing storage. That is by using a third-party software. The most used disk optimization software is CC Cleaner. You can try it by downloading from the website as I have shown on the screen and installing it. Okay guys, that's it for this video. I hope the video was useful to you. Please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you in other videos. Goodbye.